Hey everyone, Mikaela Vera here with Lights Out Welding. I'm out at San Antonio RVs today to give you guys a tour of the Arctic Wolf 3550 Suite fifth wheel and all of its cool features. It has 3 slide outs, pass-through storage, and a cool outdoor kitchen. Come take a look. Beautiful dining area with lots of windows and adjustable shades with a couple different options. Lovely accent lighting with nice countertops and a deep sink. Nice big area here. Extra counter space in the kitchen or maybe a small office. Nice big pantry area that's also lighted. Cabinets. GE refrigerator and freezer. A 3-burner stove and some storage down here. Also plenty of storage under the sink, cabinets, drawers, microwave. Nice leather seating with massage and heating options, accent lighting, and it even turns into a recliner. Extra storage here in the center, cup holders so you can watch your movies. And this is a couple suite, but you do have an option for additional sleeping space here with this fold-out couch. This is a nice media area with plenty of storage up here. Nice fireplace and mount for a TV. Follow me to see the rest. You have a couple coat hangers here for coat storage. Your smart connector panel here that can be controlled remotely with Bluetooth through your phone. Wi-Fi control hotspot and AC controls. Nice, good size shower. Again, plenty of storage in this RV. Medicine cabinet, under cabinet storage. Also, nice sink and fixtures. Nice wooden drawers, cabinets for more storage. And a nice office area where you can sit and work from your vacation spot. Plenty of closet space. Shelving for additional storage, and a huge residential size bed. Plenty of lighting, blinds, and this RV is even designed with washer and dryer hookups. Visit San Antonio RVs to find the perfect RV for you, and when you do, call me at Lights Out Welding to protect your investment.